What you got there?
Don't read it no more.
Pick it up, grab it. What do you got? What do you got? Put it towards your side.
Look at that. I got a
Let me
pussy
see that. Oh man, that's a nice looking fish. Okay, now what you gotta do is you gotta grab the pliers. Give them the pliers. Now you gotta remember about catfish, Miguelito. Catfish are very...
Here, let me get him. Let me pick him up.
Hey Joe, how does it feel in the captain's chair? Feels pretty good? Do the Titanic move.
What?
Do the Titanic move.
Never let go, you promise.
Hey Joe, I like the view from right here.
Awesome.
It's good? It's the view right here, huh?
Well,
Man, looks pretty cool, man. What do you gotta say? What do you think? You gonna catch another little tiny fish or a little fish?
I know what you're talking about.
That wasn't you. Man, this is a nice view, Miguelito.
I was holding your rod. No homo.
Nice view. Miguelito, you got... Look at that.
Don't reel it no more.
Miguelito, don't do what this fool does. Grab that fish by your hands.
He didn't even catch him. He just got tangled up.
Grab that fish with your hand. Just be careful because these fish got, they got spikes in them. Can you do it or no?
No.
Man.
Why don't you do it? Do it.
Okay.
Go ahead.